Well, welcome into today's secret sauce, a recipe on how to serve up the perfect color every time. You're gonna plate up some gorgeous transfers, and you're doing that, and you go, man, the reds just look a little bit like rust, and the blues look not so much, right? Well, your color recipe might be off. So that's today's secret sauce. I'm going to give you some ingredients here for ways that you can fix your color problems before your customers might notice. So the first ingredients is a fresh printer calibration. Every good recipe starts with measuring things just right. In DTF printing, that means calibrating your printers regularly. It's kind of like setting that oven temperature and making sure it's right. If it's off, the whole batch is going to be ruined. So we would recommend making a weekly test print a habit. And in fact, learning from the techs over at American Print Supply, they said the five-star chefs among us will confirm their calibration daily with a morning calibration test. Just a pretty simple image that's got fine lines and shapes that will show any problems with calibration instead of going through each chart over and over again. So that's ingredient number one. Ingredient number two is to make sure you've got a custom ICC profile. Think of this as your personal family secret seasoning. Sure, you could use some basic salt and pepper, or in this case, a generic ICC profile. But if you want color your customers will love, we recommend building or buying a custom ICC profile that matches your printer, your film, your ink, and in certain cases, even the substrates these things are going to be going on. So the five-star Michelin recommended chefs, we'll go with that. The, the, in fact, this actually came from a recent two-time DTFprinting.com award winner, Spencer Chernoff, who actually will be joining us on the Two Regular Guys podcast soon. He said, learning to calibrate the colors in-house or hire color experts to create a profile on site will make a huge difference. And that's how he's managed to win those awards, by understanding color. The third ingredient here is your white ink base layer. So if you think of your white underbase like the frosting under your decorations, right? If your RIP or printing program is not controlling the white and it's too thin, or maybe it becomes uneven, your colors are not going to pop. So on the flip side of that, too much white ink and the colors get muddy and the prints feel heavy. So your white underbase layer is crucial, just like it is in screen printing. So if you're a screen printer, you'll understand this. So a bonus tip here, nozzle clogs can mess up your underbase. So make sure that you are regularly doing nozzle checks to keep your nozzles clean. The fourth ingredients is your kitchen conditions. DTF printing typically needs an environment with a consistent range. And I got this right from the experts at American Print and Supply. They suggested 65 to 75%, 65 to 75 degrees and 55 to 70% humidity. So this came from Jay Wilson, one of our master trainers at American Print and Supply. And he definitely understands how important climate plays a role in our printing. So he noted that when seasons change, printer settings will change. So no matter what the ambient conditions are around your printer, when there are temperature shifts, you should make sure to watch your colors and stay on top of your calibrations. And then last but not least, I just want to give you a little secret garnish. This maybe isn't a recipe that you need, but boy, if you really want to bang out some amazing colors, look at the expanded color garment, right? The traditional CMYK systems definitely give you a very nice range of color. But when you start adding in reds, greens, blues, oranges, super blues into the mix, you're going to unlock so much more vibrant shades. Really perfect for hitting those brand color requests and just getting more vibrant colors in general. It's like those yellows, those greens, those oranges almost have a neon look to them when you're using expanded color gamut machines. So if you're ready for flavor fireworks, look for a system when you can expand your color gamut into RGBO plus more. No one wants dull off-color prints, not you, not your customers. So that's your secret sauce for today. Keep your color game strong and deliver color that always leaves your customers hungry for more.